what is this? A cooler?
Oil cooler.
Okay.
I want to take all that shit off when I get back.
Got it.
I gotta get this thing back together. I gotta pull the fork apart.
Is this dead or what? Got nothing in it or what? It's not holding pressure?
I have to put a steering damper on this bike somehow.
And where the hell do you plan on putting that?
I'm gonna have to cut into the fork someplace. On the bottom part.
So where does it wobble? When does it wobble?
It doesn't matter. The rules require.
Really?
That you have to have a dampener. This bike is ill handling. It's wobbling a lot. He rebuilt his fork, but I'm gonna do it again. So I got these dampeners. I just got these ones. Cheese in my pocket. And then I got some heavy duties over there on the head machine over there.
Yeah.
See those?
Oh yeah, the valves.
The progressive the monitors over there.
Yeah.
A friend of mine gave me those.
Oh yeah.
Open in the right length. Oh, the camera's still going. Hey, we've been talking for a while. Oh well, you can hear what goes on with your yak. Anyway, I gotta put a steering damper on the bike.
Well, this is a nice gift.
Yeah. This is pretty high-end dampener here. This isn't a cheapy one.
It's not a cheapy one.
No, this is all billet.
That's pretty trick.
How many I got? I got one for sure.
Well, yeah, I'm looking at it.
I'm not sure how many I actually got for them, but
So this is adjustable right here.
so I got this black
On the
clamp, and then I got this billet 41 clamp. I assume it's 40. I don't know yet. Let me measure it.
So
Must be for a wide glide. 875 is not. That is way bigger than. That's like 43 millimeter. 48 millimeter. I don't know what that's made for. That's huge.
and what's that supposed to go on? Like on inside here?
Well, I
Is that
forgot
the
to cut a
size?
big groove in here in the fork. While we're watching this.
Huh.
Take the front end apart, go in the cowbell here, cut the damn hole in the back.
Got you.
Put that in there, but
Got you.
that ain't gonna fit.
Got you. Okay.
It's supposed to be for Harley. This is for like 39. This is 37 millimeter. It's not even 39. I don't know what this damper. It's not made for Harley. So that's disappointing because now I don't have any clamps to use. So
And what is a Harley?
So we'll go to plan B. We'll get a drill and tap a hole in the bottom of the fork stem under here. Put that sucker right there, and we'll go to this frame over here. And we're gonna go like that.
Why don't you just zip tie it right here?
Those are coming off.
Zip tie it right here, and then put it. Drill a hole in the speedometer.
Drill a hole in the speedometer.
Drill a
Fucking car guy over here. Where's my bars at?
Oh, you're not gonna use the. Okay, that's a little better. Now you're talking business. Stay going straight with these.
I'm gonna have the cables are gonna be too long.
You think?
Yeah. And I'm gonna have to straighten the front fork now too because I just bent the fender here.
You sure did.
It's got a stub nose on it.
Did you really?
It ran into that motor.
Oh yeah, you did right there.
You saw the bike take off.
Yeah. I wanted to go.
It has 6 inch. It would have started on that.
Yeah.
First hit the starter
I
button.
wanted to go.
Now we got everything fixed on it by putting new ignition in it. It actually works. The carburetor seems to work too. That's good.
They're heavy. Feel nice.
Yeah, they'll work. I gotta run all those controls up there. Take the mirrors off. Gotta run all the controls. So that's all mandatory for production class.
Really?
The only thing they lie to do is they lie to change handlebars. I don't know why. But that's the only thing they let you modify. That you can see. Stuff you can't see is the problem.
Yeah, they might be too low. I might have to do a different
I was
riser.
gonna say you gotta take a little riser on there or something.
Well, I don't want to be up in the air at all. I just want to be where I don't want to hit the
You
gas
gotta
tank.
hit the gas tank. That's what I meant. You gotta.
But this has a nice limited front end too. If you notice, it doesn't turn very far.
Yeah.
So that's good too. So that's good for racing. You don't want to have to slam it. That way you don't have to slam in the gas tanks as much. So it's good.
So you don't have to slam it.
Yeah. Well, it makes it a lot easier to handle when you don't do that. So how's my? See, even my repair down there is not leaking.
What repair?
It's the hammer where I was hammering the case.
Oh, you hit it down there.
Oh yeah. There you go. There. Yeah, it looks like it's still dry out there. See?
Looking good to me.
See,
Push rods aren't leaking either.
I don't care if it leaks. Yeah, those things I'm shocked they're not leaking.
Yeah. I thought for sure they'd
We had
be
to beat them in with a
spewing out.
hammer. Those O-rings do not match. And the other leak spot was the over here in the rocker box right here.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's dry. There's not a leak on this bike.
Good for you.
No, they fixed it. I drained the primary oil out of it. Evidently, it's supposed to have primary oil in it because it's supposed to be a chain drive front and a built drive rear. So this is a chain drive back with a built drive front. There might be some modifications involved. I gotta find some tape though.
Ooh, look at that rotor.
Don't look at it. It was rusty. I cleaned it.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
I gotta find some tape. You got any good tape? I gotta tape all my lenses.
Why do we have to tape the lenses?
Because they had some guy that was in a car and he lost a window, or it was a Corvette, I think, or T-top or something. Anyway, the top blew out all the glass and broke the top and killed all the glass on the track. They spent 2 hours cleaning the glass up.
Oh.
So they're not
now
happy.
They want everything.
They're not
taped
happy about it. So
up. Understood.
yeah. So we got it running good. Now we got to make it. Now all the other stuff got to pacify the rules. So.
Heck yeah.